Okay, with this video I want to demonstrate how much just a little change in the support underneath your heels can affect your whole body and how it carries weight. So this is Tiffany, and I just want to show her foot position and her body position first, and then we're going to do a couple shifts and see if we notice the difference. Okay, so standing there comfortably, looking at the feet, noticing that the arch is a little bit flattened, and looking at the feet straight on, they're a little bit turned out, one more than the other, a little bit more on the right than the left. So what that does when we look at body posture from the side is we want to look at the ankles, the knees, the hips, the pelvis, the spinal curves, the lower back, shoulder, upper back position, head and neck position. Okay? And then what I want Tiffany to do is we're going to come around to the front and have Tiffany straighten her feet just a little bit. Take a look at her feet and make sure that they're equally straight. And look at the arch again. And then look at the feet again from straight on. And then have you curl the tips of your toes upwards. And then look at the arch and see that the arch has come up just a little bit by doing that. And have her continue to hold that position and look at the side. And it's very subtle, but knees, hips, pelvis, spinal curves, head, neck position is all improved a little bit. So it's difficult to see that unless you can see the shift from the side. So I'm going to have her relax her toes and see that little degree or two shift back and back to forward. And then I'm going to have you curl your toes up again and shift back. And that changes the way the body has to balance itself. And there's subtle changes there. Ankles, knees, hips, pelvis, spinal curves. Now I want you to relax your feet. And then I want you to look where you're stepping, step back, put your heels up on the cards. That's a 1/4 inch of cards to simulate a 1/4 inch heel, a low heel in a shoe. And then just get comfortable, relax in that position. Okay, we're going to take a look at her feet again. Arches are flattened out. Okay. We're going to come back and take a look at the arch in just a second, but I want to catch what happens when you again straighten your feet, curl the tips of your toes upwards and shift back. Okay. And then you can see the arches of the feet with the toes up. Or again, up a little bit more. Some of that is the muscles in the feet, but a lot of it is the body shifting back that 2 to 3 degrees. Weight's off the arch now. So what's your feedback with the cards underneath your heels, bringing your toes up compared to nothing underneath your heels?
It feels like I can't really quite control it with the cards underneath the heels. Like I don't feel completely in control of my balance and my posture.
You work a little bit harder,
Yeah,
finding neutral?
It doesn't feel natural.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.